Hi, welcome to Issue. Today you're going to learn how to use Issue Statistics. Issue Statistics allows you to gain a closer look inside your content and pinpoint who is engaging with your brand and what content they are engaging with. To begin, click either the Statistics button on the left side menu or click Dive into Statistics. What you see on the following page will vary slightly depending on your issue plan. Issue users with basic and starter plans are able to view higher level lifetime statistics for all publications. Premium and Optimum users, like the account you are viewing now, have access to additional metrics such as impressions, reads, and average read time over any custom date range. Premium and Optimum users can also view statistics for individual publications and are able to view statistics at the content and page level, allowing for a deeper level of analysis. Let's take a closer look at some metrics. The Reading Devices metric helps you understand the types of devices that are used to consume your content, allowing you to fine-tune your design work based on the platform your audience prefers. For example, based on this chart, you may want to focus less of your resources on designing for mobile and refocus your design on desktop, as the majority of your audience uses computers. The Readers Around the World metric breaks up your audience by country, allowing you to pinpoint where your readers are located. You can use this metric to expand your brand, target a global audience, and further understand the communities your content resonates with. Page-level statistics help you understand what pages of a specific publication are the most engaging and can provide insight into exactly what design and content strategies are the most effective. For example, notice how the impressions decrease as the pages progress in this publication. If a major story is featured on the last few pages of this publication, you may want to rearrange your format in the future so that important stories are located on a page that viewers are more likely to read. You're now fully ready to dive into Issue Statistics.